Crêpes Suzette, the perfect French dessert with a bit of drama. Or if you're me, it's breakfast. Delicate crepes, a rich caramelized orange sauce, and a flambé finish. It's indulgent, elegant, and easier than you think. We start by preparing our crepes. In a bowl, we'll mix all of our wet ingredients. 200 ml of milk, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and the zest of 1 orange. We'll then whisk in 125 grams of flour and a pinch of salt until combined and smooth. In a medium to medium-high heat pan, we'll add a small knob of butter, ladle in our batter, and swirl our pan to ensure an even and round crepe. Once we see the edges are cooked and start to release from the pan, we know we're done on one side and can flip. A silicone spatula works great here, but you could also use an offset spatula or whatever spatula you have on hand. Depending on how golden you like your crepes, you may choose to flip once more to reach your desired doneness. Once done, I'm folding my crepes, but your choice here for presentation. To keep these warm, I'm placing them on a sheet tray in my oven at a very low temperature. Continue the process until all your batter is gone. For our sauce, we'll first divide our orange into segments. Feel free to do it as you see me here, or the significantly more regular and approachable way. We'll also freshly squeeze the juice of 1 orange, or feel free to use a 1/4 cup of orange juice. We'll then caramelize between 35 and 50 grams of sugar in a pan. If you're big on sweetness, aim for the upper end. Once it reaches a deep golden brown, we'll add our orange segments, caramelize on both sides, and then add our orange juice and reduce till it starts to thicken. If you prefer other fruit like mixed berries, whether fresh or frozen, you can totally swap them in here. We'll then finish with 50 milliliters of orange liqueur, and this is where the magic happens. Use a long lighter to light the liqueur, or if you're using a gas stove, you can carefully tilt the pan just a bit to ignite it. The flames will burn off the alcohol, leaving a deeply flavorful sauce. We'll then plate our crepes, drizzle over our luscious sauce, and caramelize oranges. And that's it, pure French indulgence on a plate. Rich, elegant, and just the right amount of impressive.